Hey guys, welcome back to Adam's Garage. Today we're recording in the basement. It's freezing out there in my garage. So this is caliber showing you how to turn this hammer back here to get ready to be installed. This is on a 13 Dodge Journey, but some of the cars here have these self-adjusted pistons. Most of them nowadays are set up like the old Corvette style. So first off, you have to take this thing off right there, and these can be a little bit of a humdinger. So grab your vice grips, you just grab the baby here. It's a bit of a pain. There we go, and that's off like that. Then pull this hammer back. I apologize here, this is hard one-handed. You can even pop this back. I can do it by hand. If I can get it. There you go, like that. Alright, let's see this damn thing here. So, grip on it here. Set this right here. There we go. So just like that. Apologize for camera. Just like that. That's how you pull it right back. That's what you do. You pull it right back, and then you take the lock pliers and you lock it up there. Kind of snapped on me. Alright, and I'll be doing a part 2 when I install this. Catch you guys later. Catch you on the flip side. Okay, just want to show you quick. That's how you do it right there. I got it to stay just like that. I didn't have to use the vice grips. But be careful because these things do snap back. That's why I say remove this spring here. Because if you don't remove this spring, this thing is going to snap back and you're going to end up losing your fingers. Okay. Catch you later, guys.